Namaste friends. A lot of friends asked me to make a video on Sri Narendra Modi's chart. I took a fresh look at his chart, even though I made a prediction many years back that he will win three terms, second term and third term as well. I took a fresh look and this is my expectation. My expectation is, as I mentioned in a previous video several months back, September 2020 till September 2021 is a very problematic period for him, and during this period it's not surprising that he's going through all these obstacles, but he will overcome these obstacles. And the strategy he's taking, which is not being aggressive in supporting himself or excusing himself and downplaying the situation, he's basically he's withdrawn to the background and letting the medical system handle this. So he's doing the right thing, and after September 2021 things will be favorable for him again. People will realize that even though things weren't good, this is as good as it could be. He did the best that he could, and if somebody else was in his place, probably things would have been worse. That will be the consensus 12 months from now. Even though right now many people seem to think that Narendra Modi ji is to blame. Even I know that many BJP supporters are against him right now, but I do expect the tide to turn in the coming year after September 2021. And September 2021 to September 2022 is a very favorable period for Sri Narendra Modi. They will have a lot of success during that time and their fame will increase. And the year after that, 2022 September till 2023 September, is a mixed year. So there will be some challenges then. But 2023 September onwards, the year that comes then, that is a really good year. So at the time of elections in May 2024, I absolutely see no chance of Narendra Modi not being re-elected as the Prime Minister. I do expect that he will come back in 2024, but the margin of victory may not be as large as in 2019. In 2019, they improved on the margins of the original margins of 2014, and the margins will go down in 2024, but they will win. Narendra Modi's coalition will win in 2024. I am pretty confident of that. And one more thing is, I predicted many years back that he will not complete the term and he will transfer power to a younger leader and he will retire from politics in the third term, in the middle of the third term. And now, after looking at annual charts, I think that is going to happen in 2026 after September 2025. So between September 2025 and September 2026 is when that is very likely to happen. And now I also have the chart of a young leader who I believe will be the next Prime Minister of India. I will do a video on his chart in a few months. So his chart also lines up. It shows power from mid 2026. So I do believe that in 2026 time frame, Sri Narendra Modi will retire from politics. But that will be after, well after he gets re-elected in 2024. And the other thing is, as I said, in the coming year, 2021 September till 2022 September, they will go back to enforcing their agenda, implementing their agenda, and they will have some positive accomplishments during that period. So the supporters of Sri Narendra Modi, you have nothing to worry about. And like I said in my pandemic timeline video, don't worry about his re-election, his popularity, etc. Worry more about helping people around you who are struggling, because health-wise, financially, in a lot of ways, people are hurting and struggling. So helping them is the right thing to do at this point of time. And Sri Narendra Modi will be fine. He will come back in 2024.